Is your Mint Mobile service about to leave you high and dry? Don't panic. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to recharge your Mint Mobile account, ensuring you stay connected without breaking the bank. First, let's explore recharging via the Mint Mobile website. Open your web browser and head over to mintmobile.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see a login button. Click on it. Enter the phone number or email address associated with your Mint Mobile account, along with your password. Then, click the login button once more. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, locate the My Plan section. Within the My Plan section, you'll find options to either renew now for your current plan or, if you're running low, an option to add data. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you select either of these options, just follow prompts. This usually involves confirming your preferred payment method and completing the transaction. Now, let's move on to recharging through the Mint Mobile app. If you don't already have it, download the Mint Mobile app from your App Store. That's the App Store for Apple or Google Play Store for Android. Once installed, tap the Mint Mobile app icon to open it. Just like on the website, you'll need to log in using your phone number or email and password. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. Tap the Plan tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, you might immediately see a prominent Renew button if your plan is nearing its end date. So go ahead and tap that. From here, you can select your desired renewal period or add more data to your account. Complete the payment process as prompted. And that's it. You're all set. You should receive a confirmation message, and you can now continue enjoying uninterrupted Mint Mobile service.